Hello and welcome to Insider Rig. My name is Max Schultz, and in this video I'm going to show you how we trade commodities and futures based on COT Report. The trading results from the last trading week is $2,422 profit. Let's take a look at the markets we traded last week. We started in the last trading week with two short positions in our portfolio. We were short in Australian dollar and British pound. As you can see, we ended the trading week with three positions in our portfolio. We have a short position in Australian dollar. As you can see, we have only two short contracts open. We have Swiss franc as a new position in our portfolio. And we have feeder cattle, also new position in our portfolio. First of all, let's take a look at CRB index for commodities prices. As you can see, the CRB index continues sideways. We don't have strong trend in certain direction. This is our watch list from last trading week. We had on the buy side Mexican peso, soybean meal, soybean oil, feeder cattle. On the sell side, we had British pound, Australian dollar, soybean meal, heating oil, and cocoa. British pound. This market you already know from the last trading results what I posted here on YouTube. We opened a short position based on COT data analysis and based on very strong resistance, as you can see at this chart. After we opened the position, the market didn't continue downward trend. As you can see, the market went sideways. We decided to close this position market because we realized that the timing in this market was wrong. We generate a loss of $1,106. Then we switched to another market, also European currency, Swiss franc. As you can see on the daily chart, the downward trend is more clear in this market. Therefore, we decided to switch from British pound to Swiss franc because the downward trend is here more stable. We opened here a short position with two short contracts. Next market, Australian dollar. Also, this short trade was based on COT data analysis. As you can see on the weekly chart, we got sell signal based on COT data. On this chart, you see very strong resistance. The market pulled back from this resistance and continues to the downside. This is our short trade. After we opened a position, the market continued to the downside. On Monday, we closed a part of the position and we made a profit of $2,850. With remain position, we are still in the market. Next trade we did in feeder cattle futures market. As you can see, we got a lot of buy signals in direction of upward trend. Also, we had here some resistance and the market was nearby of this resistance. We expected that the market will break this resistance level based on COT data. As you can see, the market did it. So we opened a long position. After we opened a long position, the market went down. Then we had an inside bar, and Friday we had a strong bar in our direction. This is a sign for trend continues. So we are with two contracts long in this market. In other market from our watch list, like soybean meal, like Mexican peso, like soybean oil, and heating oil, we didn't found our entry pattern. So therefore, we didn't make a trade in these markets. On the next step, let's have a look at our startup account. This is a small account of $30,000. We started this small account because we have a lot of members who have small accounts, and to support those members, we started an account with $30,000 to show the members how we trade a small account. We started in the last trading week with 2 open short positions. We were short in Australian dollar and British pound. As you can see, we ended up the week with 1 position in our portfolio. We still short in Australian dollar. We closed the British pound position. The weekly profit is $170. During the week, we closed our short position in British pound. The reason for that was the same as I mentioned before. So we didn't saw in this market clear trend, and therefore we decided to switch to Swiss franc. But unfortunately, my broker doesn't support micro contract in Swiss franc. It was not possible to switch to Swiss micro contract Swiss franc and open there a short position. On the beginning of last trading week, we had an open position of 3 short micro contracts in Australian dollar. We decided to close 1 short micro contract and made a profit of $172. With remain position of 2 contracts, we still in the market. COT2 strategy. This strategy also based on COT data analysis. This strategy is more aggressive. We use this strategy to diversify risk by using multiple trading strategies. As you can see, we started in the last trading week only with 1 short position in our portfolio. We were short with 8 contracts in New Zealand dollar. We ended up the week with 2 positions in our portfolio, New Zealand dollar and feeder cattle. The profit of the last trading week is $560 on this trading account. Let's have a look at the trade in New Zealand dollar. We see on daily chart downward trend. We opened a position in trend direction. Then the market started to correct. So we decided to close a position. We made a profit of $560. Here I did a mistake because the idea was to have a stop loss close on the market on high of Monday bar. So I forgot to replace the stop loss, and therefore on Tuesday I closed the position via market order. Because the appointment for rollover from March contract to June contract is not so far, I decided to open a new position in June contract after the correction ended, and I got my entry pattern. So now I'm in the market with 6 short contracts and expect that the market continue to fall. And the last open position in feeder cattle. As you can see, we are in a upward trend. I used a small correction to open a long position with 6 contracts. My stop loss is close on the market. This market is very volatile. Therefore, I will be aggressive by taking a profit in this market. Weather strategy. In this portfolio, we have only 1 open position in BOIL ATC. As you can see, based on weather news, BOIL starts or trend change starts. So we expected that we will see higher prices. That's it. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to follow my trades, please check our subscription plan on our website. You will find the right link in the description of this video. Started from $65 per month, you can follow my trades. All my trades I post in front before I open a position in membership and our trading channel. I wish you good luck in trading. See you next week by trading results video or in our trading channel. Best wishes, your Max Schulz.